What's the #1 product that you could sell this summer that's generating multiple six figures? Well, watch this video and find out.
Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
What's up everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and today I'm gonna reveal the #1 product that I'm promoting this summer and how you can get in on it as well. As a matter of fact, I'm at my place in Alice Beach. This is where we come for the summer. And as I walk around this beach town, I'm seeing everybody using this product, and that's even more proof that it's hot right now. And if you are a first-time viewer on this channel and you're looking to learn how to make money with Shopify, with e-commerce, dropshipping, and Facebook ads, then you're in the right place. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button, because every single week I drop videos just like this to teach you how to profit online. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hyper-personalize this hot product, so you don't have to worry about the market getting oversaturated. And I'm serious about this. If you've ever wanted to get started with dropshipping and e-commerce on Shopify, the best thing you can do is take action and try this right now while it's still the perfect time. And let me know how it goes. All right, so let's get into it. The perfect product to sell this summer is, dun dun dun, tumblers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Adrian, everybody already has a tumbler. And if that's the first thing that you thought of, then I need you to watch this video, because it's not only going to help you sell more tumblers, but it's going to help you think about how to customize products that are hot so you can get in on the action. But first, why tumblers? Well, first of all, people buy more than one tumbler, whether it's for themselves or it's a gift. It's not like a mattress where you're probably only buying one and you're not buying them as a gift for anybody. Second, tumblers fall under what I call personalized passion. You can easily personalize tumblers into whatever hot niche you want to right now. I mean, you can do tumblers for nurses, Father's Day, 4th of July, teachers, right? You can even get as specific about what people are drinking in them, like coffee, beer, wine, or put funny quotes or memes on them. In fact, here's what I personally think is the best opportunity for selling tumblers right now. Head over to T-Launch. It's an app for Shopify. Look up the print-on-demand tumbler option. Then find one called the wine tumbler. Why? Because while most people probably already have a big Yeti tumbler or one of those classic tumblers, wine tumblers are just as popular but nowhere near as saturated. Next, I want you to go to Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest and find the most popular quotes about drinking wine. And don't overthink this. The cheesier these quotes are, the more they actually sell. Next, head over to Canva and recreate these popular quotes with your own spin on them. If you don't know how to use Canva, it's really simple, but if you don't know how to use it, then spend a couple of bucks on Fiverr paying someone to customize this for you. And once you've got the product up on your Shopify store, start hitting up meme pages on Instagram and see if they'll either shout out your tumbler for a flat fee, or even better, if you can split the profits with them only after you've generated sales. And that's pretty much it. It's a fast way to get in on a viral product and generate sales using social media. Now listen, if you want to go out and try this on your own, that's great. This is honestly way more information than I was given when I was just learning how to get into dropshipping almost 10 years ago. And I managed to grow to multiple six figures, even 7 figures on a store, and getting endorsed by Shopify themselves. But if you want even more help on getting your store set up, finding the right products, using Facebook ads, and a step-by-step screen share how to actually launch all of this instead of spending hours trying to find pages yourself and advertisements yourself, well, you can click below in the description. You can check out my e-com quick start training. It's going to be a case study where I show you how I took a random product from $0 to $100 with dropshipping. You can clone it, you can copy and paste the funnel, whatever you want, and you can also take the entire step-by-step training for less than it costs to take 2 people out to dinner at Chili's. This is what you probably should do if you really need hand-holding. So you can find the link to that right below this video. Make sure again that you smash the subscribe button and that you like this video, you comment below. Have you seen wine tumblers yet? Do you think that this was a good training that's going to be helpful and beneficial to you? And what do you want me to teach in the future? But one thing's for certain, right now this is hot and you should jump in on it. And you can do this with the T-Launch app, which is completely free on the Shopify platform. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week.